Tim at Howard's Persia at Dorchester. I'm going to show you a little bit more of this 108 Active. This is the petrol 1 litre manual. It's got a single owner from new, supplied by us, and is the 1 litre petrol engine. Nicely spec'd with the touchscreen, DAB, digital radio and the Bluetooth function, air conditioning, electric windows. So a very nicely spec'd car, cheap on the insurance, great to run, and make a perfect first car. So if you're on the road looking for your first car or need something more efficient, come and have a look and see what you think. Funky looking car, keeping things nice and compact. So if you'd like to take a further look or book a test drive, contact us on 01305 266 066. Thank you.